DJI Mini 3 Pro Panorama after the update. Got that coming up next. Bill, Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 3 is just a pure joy to own and to fly. Today was a great day to fly, so we went out to test Panorama. Now, Panorama was updated during the last firmware update to sharpen some of the angles and to make things look better. So let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the Mini 3 up today. There's been some updates since I've last flown, and one of them has been there was some updates to enhance Panorama, so that's what we're going to do today. So we're all set to go, 22 satellites. Let's go ahead and start the video. And video is going. And looks like we are absolutely ready to go here. Okay. So let's get it up here. Up to about 100 feet. We are there. So let's go down. We're going to go down to the entrance of the development here. A little overcast, but not bad today. Still plenty warm for September. I'm waiting for these cooler temperatures to arrive. So let's go ahead and turn things around here. Back up a little bit. Slide over there. Okay. Stop the recording. Take a look here. We're going to go into piano. We have piano now, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to do them all. But to note, with the sphere, you need to understand you have to have. It'll stitch them together, but not to the sphere. So it will. You have to find external software to do that. So let's go ahead and get that started. And it's processing things right now, still taking pictures. Okay, it's about 80% of the way done. And it just finished. Okay. We're going to go ahead back. And we're going to do 180 right now. And it's processing it right now. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do a wide angle. And last but not least, we're going to do vertical. Okay, that wraps that part up. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead back to let's go ahead back to video mode. Shoot 4K 30. Okay, we're going to go ahead and head out to the highway. There, okay. Go ahead and stop the video. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here. And I love this battery, the extended batteries on the Mini 3. They are fantastic. I know running these panoramas eat up a lot of battery, and it's still at around 78%, which is fantastic. And it's processing it right now. 80%. Okay, it looks like that is done for the sphere. We're going to go ahead and do the 180 now. Okay, it's processing it right now. Okay. We're going to go ahead and do wide angle. processing it. Okay, that's done. And we're going to finish up with vertical here. Let's process that. Okay. Alright, we're back to video. And we're going to go ahead and return to home. It's nice to have these modes. The DJI's done this with the software, because that enables you to do so much with your videography and photography. Still 71% battery on this. This is fantastic. Adjusting the pitch of gimbal. And let's see how it does with landing here. Okay, we're a little off on the from the landing pad this time. But nevertheless, a successful flight and testing the panorama after the update. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mini 3 Panorama after the update? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.